You are warmly welcome to our first Laravel tutorial here at yourskill.net. And as you already know, Laravel is a PHP framework, and in this course we are going to be venturing into the introductory part of Laravel. So before you dive into the course properly, it will be nice you understand the basic prerequisites that you need in order for you to learn Laravel. So what are the basic prerequisites? Before you start proceeding with this tutorial, we assume that you are familiar with HTML, core PHP, and advanced PHP. So if you are new to any of these concepts, we suggest you to pick tutorials based on this concept first to gain a better understanding of Laravel. Another is this tutorial will guide the developers and students who want to learn how to develop a website using Laravel. So this tutorial is particularly meant for all those developers who have no prior experience of using Laravel. Recall, we term this course an introductory part of Laravel. Then let us look at the basic overview of Laravel. Laravel is actually a powerful MVC PHP framework designed for developers who need a simple and elegant toolkit to create full-featured web applications. And as time goes on in the course, we're going to learn what an MVC stands for and how we can imbibe with the pattern of the MVC in our web development. Now, if you look at the slide properly, you see the gentleman right there. His name is Taylor Otwell. He is a creator of Laravel, and he is quite generous and friendly because in his course of development he did an amazing thing with respect to Laravel framework. And what are those amazing things, you might ask? First, he made Laravel to be an open source PHP framework which is robust and easy to understand. It follows a model view controller design pattern, which is the MVC design pattern. And also Laravel reuses the existing component of different frameworks, which helps to in creating a web application. The web application thus are designed and is more structured and pragmatic. So these are the basic concept that the creator built together with Laravel. Secondly, Laravel offers a rich set of functionality which is incorporated the basic features of PHP framework like the code igniter, the G, and other programming languages like the Ruby on Rails. Laravel has a very rich set of features which will get to be introduced as course goes down. And thirdly, if you are familiar with core PHP and advanced PHP, Laravel will make your task easier. Actually, you don't spend much time on developing a basic components. Laravel saves a lot of time in your planning to develop a website from scratch. Moreover, a website built in Laravel is secure and prevents several web attacks, so you may not need to bothered about being attacked by a black hat hacker stealing your information, because you're going to build a well secured web application while using Laravel. And then let us look at some advantages of using Laravel. The number one there is that the web application becomes more scalable, and secondly, considerable time is saved in designing the web application. You don't have to spend much time because almost the basic components are already being developed, so you reuse those components or those frameworks. Thirdly, it includes namespaces and interfaces, thus helps to organize and manage resources. And And very importantly, yes, because that is the advantages of Laravel. But very importantly is the composer. Your understanding of the composer, how it works or how it functions, will help you to get started with Laravel properly. And now, as you already know, the composer is a tool which includes all the dependencies and libraries. It allows the user to create a project with respect to the mentioned framework, and is a third-party library that can be installed easily with help of composer. So when you have installed the composer and you run your Laravel installation, you come to see all the dependencies are noted in the composer.json file, which is placed in the source folder. Another key question that we're going to look into is this: what is an artisan? You are going to be hearing much of this word in this tutorial. Now, an artisan is a command line interface used in Laravel. It includes a set of commands which assist in building a web application. These commands are incorporated from Symfony framework, resulting in add-on features in Laravel. So while we go through the course, we're going to see how you make good use of the artisan in your development. Next is the basic key features of Laravel. There are many key features of Laravel, but the basic we are going to look into here is 1. Modularity, testability, routing, configuration management, query builder and ORM, schema builder, template engine, email authentication, and so much more. Now, this brings an end to the part 1 of this tutorial. So next part we're going to look into is Laravel 8.0 installation. So we are still here. Just take the next parts and see you then. Thank you.